Hi, my name is Robert Merrick. I'm with Material Transfer, and today we're going to take a look at a lift and seal container dumper. This is a portion of the equipment where the container is loaded in, typically done with a pallet jack or a forklift. The container is brought into the equipment. We have chamfered guides here that center the container beneath the pour hood. The container is raised with this carriage we call the seal carriage. The top rim of the container is raised up and docked against an inlet flange on the pour hood. That creates a seal which prevents contamination from entering the product stream, which is inside the pour hood. The pour hood also includes an agitator. That agitator is designed to break up agglomerated materials that would be inside the pour hood. This equipment is designed to discharge individually quick frozen or IQF vegetables. Things like carrots, onions, broccoli are discharged through this pour hood, and on the other side of the machine, they discharge out of the pour hood into a vibratory feeder. The load side of the equipment includes a load side light curtain. So if an operator enters, you'll see the lights are going to trip. That cuts power to the equipment for operator safety. As we move around to this side of the equipment, you'll see we have sanitary stainless steel guarding bolted to these tubular supports. Very easy to clean, and they also have slope surfaces for water drainage. As we move around to the back side of the equipment, we can look at some of the features that are available here. On the pour hood, you'll see that there is a slide gate valve with a discharge nozzle. That will pivot over, and that nozzle will be positioned above the vibratory feeder tray. The vibratory feeder has a rigidized stainless steel surface, which allows the product to freely discharge and feed off this tray. So the product discharges from the pour hood valve onto the tray. This vibratory feeder meters the material into a batch cart. And that might be a product like a Rubbermaid root container, or it may be a stainless steel buggy. So the ingredients leave the tray and fill the container by weight. And that's a programmed weight that's entered into the HMI by the operator. So automatic batching of materials by weight at high accuracy, versus the way it was originally done was hand scooping with plastic or metal scoops out of a Gaylord box into these containers. This solution, much faster, much safer, much easier, and more consistent for people. On this side of the machine, we have a control panel. And the control panel includes all the controls the operator would need to operate the equipment very easily, very safely, easy to understand, and very easy to see.